Jane's How To. Hi guys, today we're making Basque cheesecake. It's really easy and simple. We need, of course, cream cheese, sugar, flour, vanilla, and some cream and 2 eggs and a blender and so we just need to put everything in the blender and that's it. Smells like yogurt. Our batter's done. Can you believe? It's so easy. Now let's put it in the pan. Now, time to put it in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Look at this cheesecake. Smells good. It was so good. Try it at home. Bye guys. Watch the next video.